We are starting the Satya race for the girls, and the participants are third round. Come on, girls! Yeah, cheer up there. Roland, the mic, Masha, please check. Is it because of the range? They are so fast. They are so fast coming to us running. Come on, boys. You can do it. Yes, Manfred. Yeah. Come on, Oliveira. Nice. Careful, more nice. Manfred Gomes. The last act of jump on the last act of jump on the okay, and we have the first place, Manfred. Okay, and the second one is, and the third one. So last all of the jumpers on the master they got jumper. That's it. Yeah, she is the one. Yes. We have the first place goes to.
Good push.
रेस जे तुवें हा जी ऑर्गनायज केल्या तेजेर तूं कितें म्हणूंक शकता?
आयज जावन आसा 20 तारीख एप्रिलाची आनी आमचो लिडर डॉक्टर जॅक देसिकेराची 111 वर्सां बर्थ जयंती आमी सेलिब्रेट करतात क्लब पालमेरा आनी काळजांतान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा सगळे आमच्या लोकांक आमचे पार्टिसिपंट तशेंच म्हजे वॉलंटियर्स आहात तांकां ही रेस हे इवेंट ऑर्गनायज करून आमकां भरपूर हेल्प केलो देखून वी वूड लायक टू wish everybody a happy Jayanti of Dr. Jack Desikir.